So Realme has launched the Realme GT Master Edition alongside the standard Realme GT in India, and we have already unboxed the GT smartphone. You can watch that video on India Today Tech YouTube channel. What I'll also do is I'll put the link somewhere here so that you can directly go and check that out. In this video, what we're gonna do is we're gonna unbox the GT Master Edition. You're watching India Today Tech. I am Manas Tiwari. So here's the box of the Realme GT Master Edition, and it's very similar to the Realme GT box. I also have the Realme GT here just to give you an idea about the difference in design of both these smartphones. We have already unboxed this one and the video is live on India Today Tech YouTube channel, so you can watch that video from there. Both these phones come with similar set of features. The only difference is in terms of the design, the processor, and also the front camera on the Realme GT. I'll take you through all these features as we unbox the phone. First, let's have a look at this pouch that comes along. So this one does not have anything. It only comes with a safety guide and quick guide, so you are not getting any protective case with the Realme GT Master Edition. Maybe that's one way Realme wants you to flaunt the phone and not cover it with a protective case. And this is how the phone looks like. The one which I have here is the lunar white color variant. I'll just quickly remove this and give you a closer look at the design. So this is the lunar white color variant of Realme GT Master Edition. This one also comes in two other color variants, one of which is a black color while the other one is a gray color variant, and both of them have that suitcase sort of finish at the back. This one does not. Let me also give you a quick comparison with the Realme GT. So I think honestly speaking, in comparison to this color variant, I would choose the Realme GT any day. But if I have to compare the Realme GT with the black or the gray color variant, I think those two look really stunning, at least in the images. What I'll do now is I will quickly turn on the Realme GT Master Edition and keep the phone aside for a second as we look at the other stuff inside the box. Okay, so this one does come with a protective case. I'm really sorry, I was too quick to jump to conclusion. So it does come with a protective case and a very nice quality sort of protective case as well. So you can apply it on the phone and still get that gray finish, but again that suitcase pattern is missing from here. And you get the 65-watt fast charger. There's a super dart charger that Realme is shipping along, and there is of course the USB to Type-C charging cable. Now let's just keep everything aside and have a look at the Realme GT Master Edition in detail. So I have the phone here and I've set it up, and as I told you, this one comes in three color variants. First one is the Voyager Grey, the second one is the Lunar White, which I have here, and also the Cosmos Black color variant is there. One thing that I really like about the Realme GT Master Edition is that even though the Realme GT comes with this vegan leather finish at the back, this one does not. It still does not catch any fingerprint smudges, if you can see here. Also, the weight is around 180 grams, which is actually lighter than the Realme GT, which sits at around 186 grams. So this gives you a very comfortable hold, and the weight is also very well distributed. And the frame around the phone, this grey color aluminum frame, also looks very nice. It sort of gives it a very cool finish. Now, a lot of specifications of the Realme GT Master Edition are same as the Realme GT. For example, you get the same 6.43-inch AMOLED display with the same 120 Hz refresh rate, also the same 360 Hz touch sampling rate. The difference comes in terms of the processor. Now on this one, what you get is Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G processor, and it only comes with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. So that's the only variant which Realme has launched in India. I don't know the pricing yet, and I'll put it in the description box. Now if you can see here, it says 8 GB plus 3 GB. Now what does this 3 GB mean? So Realme has introduced the RAM expansion feature on both the Realme GT smartphones, which means that if the phone demands, the smartphone is capable of allotting some of its storage towards RAM to ensure that you can do multitasking without any lags or without hanging the phone. Now on the software front, this phone runs Realme UI 2.0 based on Android 11. So that's the software that you get on this phone. The things are the same when it comes to the camera department. You still get a 64 megapixel main camera an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera and a 2 megapixel macro sensor. That's the exact same setup that you also get on the Realme GT, but on the front you do get an upgrade. So here what you're getting is a 32 megapixel selfie shooter compared to the 16 megapixel front camera which you get on the Realme GT. Now in terms of battery, this one comes with a 4300 mAh battery. The Realme GT comes with a 4500 mAh battery. So there's a slight sacrifice here, but the charger remains the same. So you still get that 65 watt fast charger which you get with the Realme GT. Now this was our unboxing of the Realme GT Master Edition, and we'll talk about this phone more when we do a complete review of it. Yeah, I was kind of excited to check out the Realme GT Master Edition because it looked really good and unique in pictures, but I think that was probably the black or the gray color variant, because when I compare this lunar white color variant of a GT Master Edition with the standard model, and you can clearly see here, I think the Realme GT looks better to me at least. What do you think? Which one would you prefer? You let me know in the comments box. But then again, since this one is a little more affordable than the standard model, I think if anyone is looking for a unique smartphone, a different looking smartphone, they can definitely consider the Master Edition of Realme GT as well. Now, if you like this video, what you need to do is you need to tap on the subscribe button, also the bell icon, so that whenever we upload the full review of both these smartphones, you get a notification and you're one of the first ones to watch it. Thank you for watching this video.